Hey, let me ask you a question that most people avoid. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your family know how to access your bank accounts, your passwords, your crypto, your important documents? Most people think they'll get organized someday, but here's the truth. Someday never comes. When someone passes away without a plan, it's not just sad, it's chaos. Accounts get frozen, money gets lost, memories disappear, and loved ones are stuck picking up the digital pieces while they're grieving. I've seen it happen more than once, and that's why I built this. It's called the Password Estate Kit. It's a simple offline system that helps you get your digital life in order, so your family isn't left guessing when the unthinkable happens. No cloud, no subscriptions, no info saved online. You just fill it out, click print, and store it somewhere safe. It's not about paranoia. It's about peace of mind. Give your loved ones the gift of knowing what to do when that time comes. Click below and get the kit. Takes less than an hour, and it could save your family months or even years of pain. Get the Password Estate Kit today. You'll sleep better knowing your family is safe from a digital estate nightmare.